Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 12th electronics. I'm Mr Fayaz Ahmad kuchay from Baramla. I will deliver you lecture on series type ohmmeter. Series type ohmmeter. First of all, let me tell you what does an ohmmeter mean. Ohmmeter means ohm linked with meter. Ohm. You are calculating the resistance with meter. You are calculating ohm means the resistance. You are calculating resistance with meter, with some meter. That's known as ohm meter. So I am discussing about series type ohm meter. Series type ohm meter. What happens in this series type ohm meter? D Arson wall meter. This is D Arson wall meter. This internal resistance of D Arson wall meter Rm. This is being connected in series with the resistance. This is the resistance R1. R1 resistance current, which is known as current limiting resistance. This R1, this is connected in series. It's connected in series with R1 resistance, and in series is connected a battery. It is two connected in series with Dierson wall moment resistor RM, internal resistor of Dierson wall moment. It's being connected with it in series, the battery, and there is an what I must say, R2 zero adjustment resistor. This is an adjustment resistor whose resistance is being adjusted time to time. So again, I may tell you, this is the series type resistor is known, it is called a series type ohmmeter because a resistor is connected in series with it and a battery is connected in series with it. And R2 the resistor, this is the zero adjustment resistor which is being adjusted. Resistance is being adjusted with this resistor, and this is the RX. RX is the unknown resistance. RX is the unknown resistance. So, dear students, what happens in this series type ohmmeter? In this series type ohmmeter, in first case, we are taking, we are keeping open these 2 points A and B. No, sorry, we are short circuiting these 2 points A and B in first case. When we short circuit this A and B, we short circuit this A and B, this Rx becomes equal to 0. This Rx, what's Rx? Rx is the unknown resistance, that becomes equal to 0. On becoming it 0, a full scale deflection is shown by d wall moment. Because of adjusting this what I must say, R2 zero adjustment resistor, where the resistance is being adjusted, the resistance is adjusted in such a manner that the deflection goes to 0 on d wall moment meter. This was the first case in series type ohmmeter. In second case, we are keeping these 2 points open. When we are keeping these 2 points open in this series type ohmmeter, and the Rx becomes equal to infinity. This is becoming infinity, this type of infinity, as I have shown here. This becomes Rx is equal to infinity, and a small type of current flows through this Arson wall moment, d Arson wall moment meter. Small type of current. In the meanwhile, this R2 resistor is being adjusted in such manner that minimum type of current flows through this resistor R1 flows, and the deflection, and the minimum deflection is shown by the needle of this d Arson wall moment meter. And this was the procedure, how the current flows in series, how the resistors are connected in series and the battery is connected in series, and Rx is being adjusted, keeping Rx register at in first case at 0, and full scale deflection is shown by this meter. Full scale deflection, that means it's being at 0, it's being at 0, then it's being 0. And again, when in the second case we are keeping in first case we are keeping it short circuit, in second case we are keeping open. This we are keeping open, these 2 points. What does the minimum current flows to R1, and small deflection is shown by this meter, d or meter. So a small type of current will flow through it. This was the procedure used in series type ohm meter. Again, I may tell you, this is the Arsenal moment meter with which a resistor is connected in series and a battery is connected in series here. This is R2, the resistor adjustable resistor being connected in between, and here we have Rx. Rx is the unknown resistance, which is being the value of which is giving as per requirement. So the value of which is known as per requirement. So in first case we are short circuiting these 2 points. When we short circuit these 2 points, the full scale deflection is shown by the answer one moment meter. The R2 resistor is adjusted in such a manner, it's being adjusted in such a manner that full scale deflection is shown here, and the meter shows 0 deflection, 0 reading. Similarly, in second case, this open circuit keeping these 2 points open circuit, Rx being kept at infinity, and small minimum type of current will flow through this resistor, and minimum and small deflection will show by this diagonal moment by adjusting this R2 resistor. This was the procedure for series type ohm meter. Okay, that will do for today. Assalamu alaikum. I'm sure you may learn it by heart. This oftenly being asked in exams. I may show you focus on this note. I'm sure that you will learn by heart. I have written it by my hand myself, and that's why focusing on this note, you may write down it and will learn by heart. This is being often asked in the examination. Assalamu alaikum.